CHANG-I Company Limited is the professional manufacturer of automatic veneer and plywood machinery. All of members with over 28 years of technical and professional experience manufacturing machine. We continually research, improve, and develop our machines to bring our clients the best machine and service. Green products. 1. Veneer processing line equipment. Veneer composer. Veneer cold builder. Veneer rotary clipper. Veneer peeling lathe. Green veneer clipper. Veneer stacker. Automatic lock charger. 2. Plywood processing line with equipment. Glue spreader. Plywood bubble sizer. Plywood press machine, plywood stacker, automatic panel feeder. A few years ago, when CHANG-I began 3D design and manufacture of veneer plywood machinery, our commitment was to provide the best machine to help customers stay competitive. Through years of hard work, CHANG-I has steadily developed into a high-quality manufacturer, and its products are sold to more than 20 countries around the world. Example: European countries: Italy, Spain, Romania, Poland, Slovakia, Ukraine, Serbia, Russia, Turkey, Hungary. Asian countries: Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, China, Laos. America area: Canada, Ecuador. Oceania, Australia. Africa countries: Egypt, Morocco. All of our produced process, including designing, manufacturing, assemble, test, installing, maintenance, service, and so on, is observe the product's policy, innovate, quality, service, client satisfy. So we get our good name and reputation from our client. Choose and trust CHANG-I. We will supply you all knowledge and technical of laminator. Get your business growth. Many changes have taken place in the market over the years, but our insistence on providing the best machines for our customers have never changed. Looking ahead, we will strive to achieve our strategic goals and meet new challenges.